In this video, let us discuss method of reduction of order in detail. So here, let the given equation of order 2. So here given equation is in the form of order 2. So here, what is the given equation? f2 of x into d square by dx square plus f1 of x into dy by dx plus f0 of x into y, which is equals to q of x. Now we have to consider this equation as equation 1 and its related homogeneous equation is. So its related homogeneous equation, what is the related homogeneous equation here? f2 of x into d square y by dx square plus f1 of x into dy by dx plus f0 of x into y, which is equals to 0. Since here q of x equals to 0, here we are taking q of x equals to 0. So in the place of q of x, what we have to substitute? 0. Now this equation we are considering as equation 2. Now suppose that a non-trivial solution in the sense non-zero solution. Suppose that a non-trivial solution y1 not equals to 0 of equation 2. This is given here. What is given? y1 not equals to 0 from equation 2. Then the method to find other solution is called method of reduction of order. So this method transforms the form of the equation. Now let y2 of x is the second solution of equation 2. Now here y2 of x is the second solution of equation 2 and it is of the form. What we have discussed here? This method is used to transform the equation of the form. So here, what is the form of the equation? y2 of x equals to y1 of x into integral u of x dx. Now this equation we are considering as equation 3. So where u of x is determined to differentiate this equation 3 twice. Means we have to differentiate this equation 3 2 times. Then we get, so here we are applying UV method. What is u here? U dash means y1 dash plus v as it is into integral u of x into integral u of x dx plus what is v here? U into what is u here? y1. Now what we have discussed, we have to differentiate twice. Means again we have to differentiate y2 double dash of x equals to, again we have to apply UV method. So y1 double dash into integral u of x dx. We are applying UV method again separately to both. So here plus what is v here? U y1 dash plus, now we have to again here apply UV method. So here u dash means what is u here? U. So u dash into what is v? y1. U dash y1 plus v dash means here what is the value of v? y1. So y1 dash into u as it is. Now substitute these values. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute these values. y2 double dash, y2 dash and y2 in equation 2. So what is equation 2 here? f2 of x into d square y by dx square plus f1 of x into dy by dx plus f0 of x into y, which is equals to 0. So this is equation 2. So now in this equation 2 we have to substitute these values. So f2 of x into d square y by dx square means we have to substitute y2 double dash value into, what is the value of y2 double dash? y1 double dash into integral u of x dx plus uy1 dash plus u dash y1 plus u1 plus y1 dash into u plus f1 of x into dy by dx means what we have to substitute? y2 dash value we have to substitute. So y2 of x equals to y2 dash of x equals to y1 dash into integral u of x dx plus uy1 plus f0 of x into y means what we have to substitute? y2 of x. We have to substitute the value of y2 of x. So what is the value of y2 of x? y1 into integral of u of x dx, which is equals to 0. Now multiply f2 of x. So that implies here f2 of x into y1 double dash into integral u of x dx plus we are multiplying f2 of x here. Now plus f2 of x into u y1 dash plus f2 of x into u dash y1 plus f2 of x into y1 dash into u plus again we have to multiply here f1 of x. So f1 of x into y1 dash into integral u of x dx plus f1 of x into uy1 plus again we have to multiply f naught of x to this term. So f naught of x into y1 into integral u of x dx, which is equals to 0. Now we have to take integral u of x dx common. Then what we get here? f2 of x into y double dash plus f1 of x into y1 dash plus f naught of x into y1. What we are taking common here? Integral u of x dx plus now what we have to take here? f2 of x into u dash y1 plus now we have to take u common. So what we will get here? f2 of x into u y1 dash plus f2 of x into u y1 dash means 2f2 of x into y1 dash plus what is remaining here? f1 of x into y1. What we are taking common here? U. We are taking u common, which is equals to 0. Here we are taking f2 of x into u dash into y1 separately, and we are taking here u terms we are taking. Now we have to consider this as equation 4. Since y1 is a solution of equation 2 and it satisfies equation 2. Here y1 is a solution of equation 2 and it is satisfying equation 2. It is satisfying equation 2. Then we get now according to equation 2 f2 of x we get f2 of x y1 double dash plus f1 of x y1 dash plus f2 of x y1, which is equals to 0. Therefore from equation 4 we get f2 of x u dash y1 plus 2f2 of x into y1 dash plus f1 of x into y1 into u as it is equals to 0. Now multiply the above equation with, now we have to multiply this above equation with dx by u into f2 of x y1. We get dx by u f2 of x into y1. Then we get dx by u f2 of x into y1 f2 of x. So here u dash can be written as du by dx into y1 plus 2f2 of x into y1 dash can be written as dy1 by dx plus f1 of x into y1 as it is into u equals to 0. Now we have to multiply this whole term with dx by u f2 of x into y1. So that implies here dx by u f2 of x into y1 into f2 of x into du by dx into y1. So here y1 both are cancelled. Here both f2 of x are cancelled. Next what we have to cancel here? Dx plus dx by u f2 of x into y1 into 2u f2 of x into dy1 by dx. So what we have to cancel here? Now what we have to cancel here? U into f2 of x. Both u into f2 of x will be cancelled. Next dx. Next both dx are cancelled. Plus again we have to multiply dx by u into f2 of x into y1 into u f1 of x into y1. So what we have to cancel here? Both u's will be cancelled. Next equals to 0. That implies here what is remaining here now? Du by u plus 2 dy1 by y1 plus f1 of x by f2 of x into dx equals to 0. So that implies here du by u as it is plus 2 into dy1 by y1 equals to, now we have to take this f1 of x by f2 of x this side. So it becomes minus f1 of x by f2 of x into dx. Now integrate on both the sides. Now what we have to do? We have to integrate on both the sides. Then we get du by u means log u plus 2 log y1 equals to minus integral of f1 of x by f2 of x into dx. Since it is in the form of log a plus log b, so it can be written as log ab. So that implies here log of u y1 square. This 2 log y1 is in the form of n log m. So which can be written as log m power n. So this can be written as log y1 square. So log of u y1 square, which is equals to minus integral of f1 of x by f2 of x into dx as it is. So that implies u y1 square, u into y1 square equals to, now this log goes this side. If the log goes this side, then it will become e power minus integral of f1 of x by f2 of x into dx as it is. Therefore, u equals to e power minus of integral of f1 of x by f2 of x into dx by y1 square. Now y1 square goes that side, so it becomes by y1 square. Now substitute value of u in equation 3. What is equation 3 here? Since y2 of x equals to y1 of x into integral of u of x dx, then we get y2 of x equals to y1 of x into integral of, what is the value of u? E power integral of e power minus of integral of f1 of x by f2 of x into dx by y1 square into dx. Then the required general solution is c1 y1